Hey, if you want to print from your Samsung S24 FE, first of all, you will have to open Settings, go for Connections, and now open More Connection Settings. Then you will have to select Printing, and you've got two options. You can try to actually connect into your wireless printer by using the default print service. So you will have to click on it, and now it will actually search for the printer. So you will have to go into your printer. Basically, you will have to turn it on and activate, some kind of the pairing mode or turn on the Bluetooth. I cannot actually explain you how it actually works because, as you know, there's like a lot of different prints brand. But that's how it actually basically looks. And if you cannot actually connect, let's say, to the HP printer, you will have to click to download plugin. Now you will be redirected into the Google Play Store. Of course, you will have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And from this Play Store, you will have to pick plugin from your printer company. So if I actually have, let's say, the brother printer, I will have to tap on it, click and install this plugin. So it will take probably around a few seconds. And then we can just go back and try to select the brother print service. And now you can simply check if it is working. If it is not working, then sometimes you will have to just open this printer and you will have to actually set up your Wi-Fi direct machine by clicking here. You will have to accept all of this permission. Sometimes you will have to connect your Bluetooth machine right here. And yeah, if something is not working, you can simply restart your phone by turning it off and on. And that will be all. Tell me if it works, and thanks for watching.